to my little friend. Okay, now we don't need this anymore, and it's just as easy as popping out the rest of this bead board they had propped up in here. It's interesting, they did use the bead board over again. A lot of places they just flipped it over and used the side that wasn't painted, but then they covered up the beadboard. So all this will be reused in the rest of the room when we do the restoration, because I have some pieces that are split. So what we'll end up doing in this dining room is taking all of this out at some point, and I'll take this into the garage and end up stripping all of it. Be a lot easier to strip it in the garage versus trying to do it on the walls in here. So all right, you guys have seen it here first. This doorway is now open to the original part of the house, which hasn't been open in probably at least 40 years, maybe even more, I'm not sure. So the next step will be to come in and strip the rest of the threshold here. Got some old gray paint left on here. Take care of part of the floor. You can see where it was sanded up to here. But now we have to finish the outside, so I have to blend that back in. I've already stripped the casings as you've seen with the Cobra, for the most part. And there you go. So stay tuned. We'll finish stripping this out and we'll get the new door, put it in the fixture over here, and we'll start working on the new door to fit this brand new door that we have into the original opening on the original hinge locations and the lock locations. And we have a brand new door, so we can make that door fit all these original locations so it looks original. And as you can see, all the dust that we contained inside here from the quarantined area that we installed earlier, you saw that on the previous video. So that kept all this dust, and it'll keep all the lead paint dust basically out here on the porch to the outside, and it'll give us kind of a temperature barrier too, because it's summertime. It might get warmer here in Michigan and it might not, who knows. But whatever happens, we have kind of a barrier from the outside. You could put a piece of plywood up if you like. You can cut a piece of plywood. I did that on the other door for wintertime and put some weather seal or some weather strip up around where the storm door would go, and we ended up doing it that way. But either way, if you want to do the quarantined area or a piece of plywood, if the weather's okay, either is fine. Alright guys, we'll see you later. I'm going to get back to work. See y'all.